Japan, a land where ancient traditions and cutting-edge innovation breathe together. From the quiet temples of Kyoto to the neon pulse of Tokyo, every journey here is a discovery. In the heart of Kyushu, Fukuoka rises. By 2050, it will be Asia's gateway where startups, sustainability, and centuries of culture converge. Here, where steam meets serenity, lies Hakuto Ryokan, a retreat woven into Fukuoka's soul. Modern comfort meets the timeless ritual of the onsen. Each guest room a haven, every soak a return to yourself. Hakuto Ryokan, where Fukuoka's steam and serenity embrace you.